Let's get started with the dock for Square Reader. Before we begin, make sure you have your Square Reader with you. Let's unpack. Firstly, remove the sleeve and open the lid. Inside, you will find the dock for Square Reader and printed instructions for additional information. Now take out the dock for Square Reader from its bag. Separate the outer cover from the dock by pinching in the two sides. Next, locate your Square Reader and place it onto the dock with the card slot facing downwards. Place the outer cover back on the dock until the cover clicks to lock in place. Optionally, plug in the power cable supplied with your Square Reader at the back of the dock to charge your Square Reader. You are now set up and ready to start taking payments. For any questions related to your Square Reader, visit squareup.com. For more information on BossTab products, visit our website at bosstab.com.